Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have been asked several times to show how to make a Tussie Mussie. So this is a Tussie Mussie, and I've been asked how to make it. This is coffee filters that I cut the round part out and then just glued it in. These are two different sizes. Also, while I'm thinking about it, on my blog, Victorian Dreams by Leigh, on Facebook, the link is down below, I have an 8x8 sheet of paper template that you would just cut and trace instead of fold it up like this. That I will go find that post and repost it again today. And all you have to do is just print it out and use it on a piece of paper and trace it on whatever cardstock and pattern paper you want. So this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. It does have polka dots on it. And you have to just roll your paper and break down the fibers. And the way I make a Tussie Mussie, it's going to have a tip on it, and then if you want to cut it round like this, you just cut the tip off. I'll show you that in a minute. So this angle, one of the angles, I have facing up, and then I just score around, but that's my top, you see, and I just see how it's got a big hole, and this is at the top. That one corner stays at the top. This gets folded in a little. You have to work your paper for a good 30 seconds, and then that's it right there. You can see how it's there. And then I just tighten this tip. I just bring it really tight to make it a hole. And when I adjust it, so it is a smaller hole, and it's barely flipping around. And then this, I kind of let the paper just go off. I let it expand a little. So see how it's see, if you want to make it bigger, you just pull it out, and if you want to make it bigger, you just pull it out like that, and you clip it, and then you twist this, and there is your cone. So then I take hot glue and take hot glue all the way here. First, I take it just right here and I glue it, but I'm not going to glue it yet. I want to show you how to make it a little smaller. And then I would take this clip off and then put glue right here and just glue it. But if I want to make it a smaller cone, you just, with your fingers back here, you just push it back in, and you can make it a smaller cone or a bigger cone, depending on what you want to stuff in it. This would be great for Easter, to stuff in it. So see how you just twist it and make sure that tip is at the starting point. So once again, if I want it smaller, but this little piece right here, you do kind of need just a little point coming around, all the way around. And then see how I'm letting it go with my fingers, and it gets bigger. And then if I squeeze it in, it gets smaller. I hope that this helps you. So always have something to pinch it here. And then I will glue it here, glue it down with hot glue, glue it down, then take this clip off and then glue it down. And then if you want it to be no tip and just a round Tussie Mussie, you just take your scissors and I eyeball and just cut a circle. And then that's the good thing about putting ruffles on it or something, or any kind of lace. It will hide if it's a little off. But you just cut this off. You can eyeball it. You can take a pencil and score with a pencil like this and make a line, and then follow that line to cut it. Let's see, what else can I tell you? Then just take your hole punch and hole punch here and here to put your string to hold it up. and then you can embellish this as much as you want and embellish anything else. So I hope this helps you. You can see how it has got crinkles in it because it's going to break down the paper fibers, and it depends on how. See, you just keep pulling this to make that hole smaller or opened. So always glue it with that like that. And you can put what are those little dangly yarns to put in here? So hopefully this helps you. I like hot glue for this. I'm sure you can use your glossy accents or whatever you use, but just make sure that you hold this down for a good minute while you're gluing it all little by little. But hot glue just grabs it so much faster. So I hope that helps you figure out how to make a Tussie Mussie. I like using it with the pointed and without. I've done both. So yeah, there is a quick and easy tutorial. If I didn't explain it well, just ask and I will definitely walk you through it. And I'm going to have that link on my Facebook blog where you can just trace the Tussie Mussie. I made them about, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago, and it was quick and easy. It was just a fan-shaped cone, and I left a little tab to glue, and I gave those all out, so I don't have anything to show you because it's been so long ago. Okay, guys, all my links are down below. Have a blessed day.